Okay, so we are going to install this mirror. Now, a lot of people may think that a smaller piece is an easier piece to install, but you'll find on this Tesla Model 3 that the mirror is actually one of the harder parts to install on this car. There's a lot of curvature in a small area, so we have a lot of area to cover here and a lot of stretch involved because we have compound curves not only going this way, we also have them going this way. So if you're going to attempt this by yourself and order film from us, we'd be happy to throw in a couple extra mirrors for you just because this takes a little bit of practice. And again, this is one of those parts that, you know, may require a professional installation, but you know, you're welcome to try it out. We're going to show you how we do it. So we are ready to install. So we got a kind of a close-up of this. So tack points, we're going to go ahead and move forward with this. Again, we want to wash down from the top to the bottom, getting rid of any dust that may be sitting on there. Now there's a small part, so we can do this in our hand. We don't use a backing board. We're just going to go ahead and pull that. We're going to soap it. Okay, so spray the outside for your slip solution for your squeegee. We're going to start in the back corner, okay? So we want to align the bottom and the back. So again, we're going to squeegee that corner just as a tack point. Gentle squeegee. You don't need to do it very hard because otherwise you're going to end up shifting your film. Okay, we're going to slowly work through the corner here first. So as you see, we're stretching as we're coming across, we're squeegeeing, and that's going to give us really good alignment on that front edge, which is the most important edge. As we move along, we're just going to keep adding alcohol solution along that bottom edge, and we're just going to pull it and squeegee it out as we go. Got a little bit of a misalignment there, but we're going to come back. We're going to bring it over, and we're just going to squeegee out that bottom line. Again, that one's the most important because that's where the rocks will hit. Okay, and then we're going to pull up to that top corner. Just going to give it a bit of a pull, and then we're just going to squeegee out the rest of that. Now, that may look a lot easier than it is. I'm hoping that this video will help you on your mirror install. Again, this can be a very difficult part to do, but you know, if you follow our instruction, hopefully you can get through this. Again, we're just going to go and set down all our edges. We have a bit of a bind in the top there. We're just going to spread that, and we should be able to get that to sit down, no problem. And that's the mirror. We're just going to double check everything is good on there, make sure we didn't leave any water, we don't have any specks, and that is your mirror installation. So we're just going to go ahead and set the edges on that, and that is a mirror, Tesla Model 3. All right, thanks for watching this video. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please click on the link below at our website at www.renoson.com. Please like and share and follow us